So what's up guys, it's Eddie Wet again. Today I don't know what I'm feeling like. I'm happy and I don't know. But particularly for this video today, I want to give you a review video out of the request from my viewers on the video I posted on my channel regarding the Grand Prix. Okay, I know a lot of you guys have been asking me, is this Grand Prix legit? Eddie Wet, why are you supporting this? This website is a scam, is not legit. How is it legit? Some others said, tell us, have you been able to withdraw from the Grand Prix? Is it legit? You want to know. So that's why I came up to share this video to you guys today. Grand Prix, is it legit? Is it a scam? Why? So to today's video, I'm going to show you why it's a scam and why it's legit. So welcome back to the channel. If you are brand new here, my name is Eddie Wet. What I do, I give you information about cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, freelancing and blogging. So if you like this content and this video on my channel, you might want to hit the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video like this on this channel, YouTube will notify you and you're going to watch it and like it. So you're going to be left with the answer you want to know, but I have some proof to show you here today. All right, and just sit back and watch to the end what I'm about to show you. Yeah, it's going to interest you and I know you need to know this. All right, now this is my current account here, as you can see, and I have 150 row, though I've not been doing the Grand Prix for a while now because I'm focusing on some other things here on online. All right, I'm currently running on 444 balance grams on the Grand Prix platform, and as you can see, I've not been able to make withdrawal so far on the Grand Prix, right? Okay, now because of some other things that interest me rather than doing Grand Prix here. All right, so now the question that pops to your mind is, have I been able to withdraw? You can see here that I have not withdrawn anything. So why, Eddie Wet, why do you support Grand Prix? Because from your comment on my channel here, it seems as if I work for Grand Prix or I support Grand Prix. Why people claim that it's a scam? No, I didn't really support Grand Prix. I just tell you the need on how you can get your grams. If you check out my successful video, how you can get your grams quickly on the Grand Prix. Okay, I can tell you that this 444 grams I have, I got it less than within a month. All right, so ever since I've stopped doing Grand Prix, I didn't just bother. All right, now why do I say Grand Prix is legit? All right, Grand Prix is legit because every website that accumulate traffic had money. I know a lot of you guys came to this platform from the information you heard about Grand Prix, that Grand Prix is owned by Telegram and is a cryptocurrency. What you have to do is just to do some few tags and earn this gram. Once you're able to accumulate the gram, then you can make a withdrawal either to your Bitcoin wallet or other online wallet you can withdraw your money to. All right, so you can see some other review video on here on YouTube where you see some people saying that it is not for Telegram. Okay, the Grand Prix is fake. So guys, just stop and stop and stop. So you've seen a lot of review video. So but still, once you are on the Grand Prix, when you check on the videos, you see testimony of those that have been able to withdraw from the same platform. They are telling you that is not legit. So what is really a big difference here? So stay back, let me show you this. Now first of all, don't believe the video they upload here on the Grand Prix. All right, you were asked to upload a video so that you can get a gram. So I will show you what some people are doing to give you that video that they made a withdrawal from the Grand Prix. Of course, once you upload such a video, Grand Prix is going to grant that video to show as a testimony that you withdraw. Or let me show you something. And Also sit back, let me show you how they do this. All right, it's very straightforward. Let me show you how they do this. Now, particularly what they do is that they change the figure here on the ground free. Okay, maybe you are new to this and you don't really know how they do it. First of all, they over down to this balance. All right, I can show you that I've withdrawn 500 grams from here. All you have to do is just click down, you go to inspect. All right, once you inspect, it's going to show you a particular code here on the browser, and you can see here, you watch closely, you can see 0.0 gram now, and this is editable. You can edit it. All right, you can edit it. 500 gram, you can just put 522, 522 gram and eat it up. Then you come here, you can close it down, and you see 522 gram withdraw. All right, so it's as simple as that. All right, I won't take time to explain all this today. That is what they do about this website, the testimony you see there on video. Now I want to refer you down to this video here. This guy explained it on your YouTube channel here on how they do it. So I'll leave a link down below referring you to this video. Just watch it and you see what they do exactly, and the proof they show on the wallet they deposit to. They do the same thing, changing the name to ground free and also changing the amount they withdraw, which make it almost the same. Even the date they change it, because anything online you see online here is not 100% legit. All right, so I will refer you down to this video you're going to watch and you know about that. Still, I want to tell you why I think ground free is legit. If they want to pay you, they can pay you. So if they don't want to pay you, they can't pay you. So why do I say this? A website like ground free here get a lot of traffic. All right, so since the website, and you can see they post an ad on their platform here, this costs a huge amount of money to put this ad on this kind of website that had a lot of traffic. Okay, now what they do, they get money by you coming to the platform. Of course, you can monetize your website, you can monetize your blog, whatsoever website you have out there, and you place some ad and you'll be accumulating some plenty amount of money. Okay, as you can see now, if I click this ad here, they are going to pay ground free for me for clicking this video. So maybe also when I'm able to sign up to this ad, as they can see here, they're also going to pay ground free a huge amount of money. So guys, that's why I'm telling you guys that ground free might seem legit, but it also seem let's say scam. All right, so I don't want to encourage you to keep doing ground, because if you watch that video, you're going to be discouraged. All right, so I've always said in my video that I had a friend that I've withdrawn from ground free. Okay, let me tell you, I didn't see the money practically, but he also showed me a screenshot, and I know this person face to face that he did the same. Probably he did the same thing here, I don't know there, but I was bold enough to tell you guys that this guy withdraw. All right, but I haven't seen this video on the on YouTube here. I was convinced that ground free is actually a scam. All right, it's not a legit website that pay you by just performing some few tasks on the website. So guys, that's what I want to tell you, and that's my final video. What is ground free? Is why ground free, is it legit or is it a scam? So don't forget, if you are new here, my name is Eddie Wet. What I do, I give information on freelancing, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, and blogging. So you might want to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up whenever you like any of our content here on this channel. All right, thank you guys, peace out.